Alright, I got some serious rain coming down here today. I just drove 6 miles just to get to this intersection. And the road is puddling up so bad back there that, it's really hard to drive in. So, alright, well, let's continue on here. I don't have a camera mount, so I'm just holding my camera here. Probably not a good idea. Keep the high beams on. You can really see it. Look at that. It is just pouring. It is just flooding out here. It would definitely be in flash flood conditions if this keeps it up. Look at that. It's just coming down like no other. Crazy. That is really heavy rain. Whoops, car. Yeah, nobody's going over the speed limit today. Look at that. The wipers are on full blast and it's just barely enough. So it's the one day I didn't look at the weather report today. This morning. I'm gonna run it behind. It's coming down out there, that's for sure. I'm gonna get soaking wet on my little 400 or 500 foot walk from my car to the workplace. Well, my high beams down. Gas is $2.29 at the Chevron. Well, it pays to carry a GoPro with you everywhere you go. This is my original GoPro from 2012, or maybe it was 13, right around in that area. And this one actually has a scratch on the lens, I guess. And you may be able to see the yellow streak running across the lens. It usually shows up in a condition like this. I have to assume it's a scratch. I have cleaned it. I have looked at it with a magnifying glass repeatedly, and I cannot see anything. So whatever it is really embedded into the lens. And I don't know if it's even replaceable. So here we are. All the Victorian Christmas lights are up. I've been for some time. There's the Christmas tree, the city Christmas tree. It used to be up on my balcony there. But Jerry decided to not allow them to do that anymore for some reason. Anyway. Alright. Down here to the parking spot. Seems to have kind of let up a little bit. Slowed down. Maybe it's just my imagination. Alrighty. Alrighty, here we are. It appears to still be about the same. Alright, that's it.